ASRock has addressed the 9800X3D boost issue or boot issues. I wanted to address this with you guys just in case you guys got one. I actually have an ASRock motherboard right here. This rig is an ASRock A620 with a 9800X3D in it. I have not gotten the BIOS update for the A620 Mini ITX yet. So hopefully this doesn't catch on fire while we're filming right now. But as you guys can see, some people are getting burnt pins, unfortunately, on their ASRock X870 Nova. ASRock deployed a beta BIOS version 3.2 today to address it. And they did refute claims of permanent CPU damage, which that looks pretty dang permanent to me. But of course, ASRock has really gone downhill in recent years with their RMAs. I used to get RMAs from them quite well. I mean, part of that obviously was we shipped a crap ton of the ASRock mining motherboards for them. So I think they knew who I was and all that. But here recently I had a 7900 XTX that I tried to get RMA'd and they wouldn't do it. Now it was an open box item. But so they went through that whole policy. So I'll give them that. But they wouldn't even work with me, right? They wanted like full price of the GPU to replace it. So unfortunately not very happy that they wouldn't even work with me on that. But it is what it is. Their support's really gone downhill pretty terribly over the past few years, but that's been kind of the same with everybody, even ASUS, right? They said that the reports are misinformation, but they did release a BIOS version. So let me ask you this. If it's misinformation and it's not accurate, why the f*** are you releasing a BIOS update to fix it? Sounds like you're lying to me. Sounds like you're lying, you sneaky little bastards. It's misinformation. Quick, release the patch. Release the patch. Funny. Now, apparently, a community aggregated database on Reddit has documented 40 failure incidents already, with ASRock boards accounting for 32 of the 40 cases. However, the failure pattern is inconsistent, and some systems fail immediately while others operate normally for weeks before exhibiting symptoms. BIOS flashback procedures have successfully restored a functionality in multiple instances. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. If you would like to see more from this particular episode, take a look up here. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support me directly, you can go to sonofatech.locals.com and become a member. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday.